Hello everyone, welcome to Master Builder 247. Are you preparing for the Nigerian Navy exams and looking for the best study resources to pass with flying colors? You're in the right place. In today's video, I'll share top-notch study materials, online tools, and expert tips to help you succeed. Make sure to stay till the end for exclusive bonus tips that most candidates overlook. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful content like this. Why preparing with the right resources matters. Preparing for the Nigerian Navy exams isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart. With thousands of applicants competing, using the right study resources can make a huge difference. So, let's break down exactly what you'll need to ace these exams. Well-prepared candidates, 70% pass rate. These are candidates who actively used study resources, practiced past questions, and followed structured study plans. Underprepared candidates, 20% pass rate. These candidates relied on minimal preparation or last-minute studying. Unprepared candidates, 10% pass rate. These are individuals who appeared for the exam with little to no preparation. The exam covers 4 key areas: mathematics, English, general knowledge, and current affairs. Let's explore the best resources for each. Books remain one of the most reliable ways to prepare. Here are the top recommendations for each subject. Mathematics. Mathematics made easy for Nigerian Navy exams is perfect for beginners and advanced learners. Also consider the WEC past questions in mathematics for comprehensive practice. Hey, quick break before we dive deeper. Are you finding this video helpful? If yes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. I'm dedicated to bringing you the best tips and resources to help you succeed, and your support helps this channel grow. Alright, let's jump right back in. English. Grab the WEC English language past questions and answers to sharpen your skills. Objective English for competitive exams is another great choice for grammar and comprehension. Are you ready to bring your brand to life? We are expert 3D animated explainer video creator just as what you are watching now. Introduce your product and service and grow your sales using 3D animated explainer video for marketing. We will bring your idea into reality by adding our creativity and magic. We offer 3 different packages that can meet your need. Find a link in the description box. Create an order today. Let's create amazing top-notch explainer video for your brand, company, and organization. General knowledge and current affairs. Nigerian Navy aptitude test past questions and answers is a must-have. Stay updated with recent news by reading newspapers like The Punch and Daily Trust. Make sure to bookmark these for easy access. Having the right resources is half the battle. Let me show you how to make the most of them. Start your day with a 2-hour focused study session on weaker subjects. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to solving past questions. It gives you a feel of the actual exam pattern. Collaborate with friends to discuss tough topics. 2 heads are better than 1. Finally, let's talk about staying mentally and physically prepared for the big day. Stress management. Practice deep breathing or mindfulness exercises for 5 minutes daily. Healthy lifestyle. Stay hydrated, eat brain-boosting foods like nuts and fish, and avoid cramming late at night. Exam day tips. Get to the venue early. Bring all required documents and materials, ID card, examination slip, pen. Read questions carefully and start with the easiest ones to build confidence. Alright, that's a wrap on today's video. To summarize, focus on the right resources, practice consistently, and stay confident. As a bonus tip, remember to review your answers if time permits. And don't forget, success comes to those who prepare. So start now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone preparing for the Nigerian Navy exams. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Next video will be posted on Wednesday by 5 a.m. next week. Stay updated by subscribing so you don't miss any new updates. Love you all. Thanks for watching. The books are available for purchase. Contact me via email or WhatsApp to get yours. We are also open for business and promotion. See you in the next video.